Neeraj Deewan of Quantum Securities is also joining in. Neeraj, wanted to get your thoughts in on gold loan NBFCs like Manappuram General Finance as well as Muthoot. Abhishek has been highlighting that banks are aggressively eating into the business opportunity from these gold loan NBFCs, and the stocks are reflecting that. Manappuram as well as Muthoot General Finance are down 40 to 50% from their recent highs. What happens to the stocks from here on?
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah, definitely. Abhishek has a point that the banks have been eating up into the share, and the tonnage which is down. So basically, whatever growth is happening is only happening because of price increases in gold. So tonnage is down. So that is an indicator that business is not growing for them. But I feel the kind of reach that Muthoot has, the kind of branches they have in tier 2 small cities, they are really spread across India. So definitely there'll be some pressure in the short term right now. But I think the kind of credit growth that we're seeing in banks, I think banks also are now widening up what they were doing earlier. So even the corporate demand is increasing, industrial demand is increasing. So the kind of concentration that they were having in small pockets to increase the AUMs or credit growth, that basically will divide now going ahead. So I feel that at a price, one definitely needs to watch where these stocks make a base. But at a price, I think I like Muthoot. So I'll be looking at a when I get what the kind of dip we are getting in Muthoot, the kind of reach that they have, that and the kind of market share that they have. I think somewhere down the line, one need to take a view on that also.
What's the price that you would be comfortable buying a Muthoot Finance?
I think another 10 to 15% down from here should be a decent level to buy Muthoot.
Okay, all right. Noted that on Muthoot. So that should be around 900 rupees odd. Just going by a quick calculation, down 12% today at around 1040 and maybe 10% lower. Neeraj will be a little interested. Neeraj, the other stock we wanted to discuss with you is Apollo Tyres. The numbers were nothing really to write home about, but the stock from the word go, it seems that the street is looking at forward earnings, that things could recover from here on, maybe another way of playing the auto theme as well. From the tire pack, which is the stock you like? You have Apollo that's doing well, MRF has popped up in trade as well. Go ahead.
Yeah, Apollo Tyres is still attractive, though, we had started accumulating this close to 170, 75 levels, because that is when crude had started correcting. But now we've seen a considerable correction in crude from the high levels of 120 odd. And then even rubber prices have been are also down. They're also coming down. So all this will have a good impact in the next quarters, next 2-3 quarters for Apollo Tyres. And even after the run up from 175 to 250 now, it's still not expensive. So still it will be little around the average valuation it trades at. So till I think still there is scope with the kind of launches that are there and the kind of commodity pressure which is easing. I think still there are some legs for tire stocks, and Apollo Tyres is still decent at an average valuation.